The GWC-BT-3400 automatic steel bar mesh welding machine developed and produced by Yizhou Technology. It's a welding production line that welds straight bars into steel mesh. The machine is mainly composed of 8 parts, such as longitudinal bar rack, pre-feeding mechanism, the welding machine, crossbar blanking mechanism, stepping mechanism, pulling mechanism, stacking mechanism, and electric control system. The welding speed is 60 to 80 rows per minute. The longitudinal bar spacing is greater than or equal to 75 millimeters, stepless adjustable. The crossbar spacing is greater than or equal to 50 millimeters, stepless adjustable. The weld mesh width is 1,200 to 3,400 millimeters, suitable for 6 to 12 millimeters round steel. Rebar welding. The feeding method is for straight bar feeding. The machine adopts HMI plus PLC programming controller mode control. A full set of production lines only needs 1 to 2 people to operate the machine. A high degree of automation. The steel mesh produced by this model is widely used in roads, railways, bridges, tunnels, steel structure prefabricated housing, and other fields.